Alright guys, today I have here in front of me a Digicel Dl4. I'm not sure if a disassembly video is out for it, so I'd just say I want to do one. So to start this assembly, you'd need a Phillips head screwdriver, phone screwdriver, so you got one with a small tip. Alright, so the unit comes with 15 screws going straight down all around. I just put this here to block out the IMEI number. As you can see, it's indeed a Digicel Dl4. This is the unit as also. Alright, so after removing the screw, just remove this back plate, and the back plate is off. To remove the back plate, you can use a guitar pick. This is made of plastic, so it won't damage the plastic frame of the phone also. So from here you have the main board right here, which is held on by 3 Phillips screws. As you can see, one is right there, one here, and the other is also here. And going down to the bottom of the phone, you have the vibration motor, you have the loudspeaker, and this is a flex that connects everything together, and this is a microphone, and this is a antenna. This right here is a coaxial cable which connects the antennas from down here to the main board. I'm going to remove the board so you can have a look at it. Alright guys, the board is almost off. Please bear in mind when you're removing the board that the TP means touch panel, so the touch panel connection is also right here, so you have to disconnect it first. Alright, so once you got that disconnected, this is how it looks. This is the main board. As you can see, it has a front facing camera, the charging port, a rear facing camera, and surprisingly this actually looks like a functional camera. Actually looks like a functional camera. So now with the board out of the way, we can just take a look at the phone and its internals. Touch panel connection, display connection. This is a power key, or also known as a side key flex. The power key and the volume keys are connected together, and this is the rest of the phone. I'm gonna put it back together. To put it back together, you just do the opposite of what you actually just did. I hope this video was educational for who's trying to do this yourself at home. Thanks for watching. Please like, follow, share, and subscribe.